Okay boys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. It's another cold one as per usual in PA, but that is not going to deter us from starting the ZL1 build today, right now, and it's going to be awesome. Today is the day. If you liked the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing build, which you all did, you're going to love this one because it's like that, but with a little more, going a little farther, but not too crazy. We're not ruining the car as a daily. We're just going a little bit farther. And of course, the Blazer giveaway is over. If you entered, good luck. Should have a winner back in about a week. So again, fingers crossed for you. Good luck on winning the Blazer. And if you win, I want to know, are you taking the Blazer or the cash? So you can take 30 grand cash instead if you don't want the classic Blazer. I will admit, I am going to maybe try to convince you on this one. Now, normally I don't play it either way. I say whatever you want to do. But on this one, I might try to convince you to take the cash because I really want this Blazer and I can't like get another one. Like any other car we do, I can find another one, but this one, there aren't really any left, and those that aren't in great shape. So it's like, I'm kind of going to try to say, well, how much cash will it take? But we'll see on that one. Really do whatever you want, of course, but we'll see. And yes, if you don't know, the ZL1 giveaway is live right now. It's live right now, and 100X is live, which is our biggest multiplier. That's the best bang for your buck when it comes to winning this car, but it's a little different, isn't it? Because usually, of course, we launch a truck or a car after it's done. This one, I decided, let's have a little fun. And we're going to launch it early, and it'll be live while the build happens, and you just have to trust me that I'm going to build it right. And you should enter right now. Don't wait to enter because there is not going to be, as always guys, a bigger multiplier than 100X. That's the biggest we do, and it's the best time to enter. So you should enter right now, but you gotta trust me that I'm going to build it right and you're going to like it. You will, I promise, you will like it. But yeah, you don't know exactly what we're doing yet. You'll find out in today's upload, but you should enter right now because you will not be disappointed with this car. It's going to be awesome. The rapid blue color. We're doing something cool with the wheels. 6-speed manual. The only way to get it, unless you are just going to be racing, then maybe the automatic is good, but 6-speed manual, awesome car. Yeah, this thing is sweet, and it's about to get a whole lot sweeter. So don't wait, enter right now, and let's hop in and take her up to CSP. Let's go. Okay, boys, got the CarPlay hooked up, and we are about to hit the road. It says an hour and 14, but we can cut that down. Oh my God. That feels so good every time without fail. I drive a manual. I think I need to get one, and I do. These are, oh God, these are so good. I always felt like these ZL1s were slept on a little bit. You know, everyone focuses on the GT500s, and listen to that burble. The GT500s and the Hellcats, and those are cool, but these were awesome and cheaper. I mean, you can get a cheap Hellcat, but you know, newer Hellcats are still going for crazy money. GT500s are crazy. These are cheap compared to those. You know, 70K, you get a big power car, manual. The manual is available in this, whereas in the Shelby it's not, and manual Hellcats are hard to find. These are just awesome cars. They really are. Good value for the money, I think, and you can make them really fast, as you'll see, like really fast with not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Let's do one more and then we'll skip to CSP. Downshift here. What's nice about this car for the trip is the entire thing is expelled, the whole car. Little wet, little cold. Hold on. Just in case we go sideways, and go. And we did. All right, roll into it. Oh yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, I'll see you at CSP. Okay, well, I told you I'd cut it down, and I don't remember what the original ETA was, but I think I beat it by a few minutes at least. But we are here, and we shall see what Andrew is doing. I think that's the dyno room. Yep. Camaro. Oh, a 1LE up there. Camaro ZL1 1LE on the dyno as we speak. And yes, guys, just wait until you see the build for this car. It is going to be awesome. You already know, I'm sure you can guess we're doing the Magnuson blower, but also something more. Oh, there he is. Something more. Howdy. What's up, buddy?
What's this?
That's a nice jacket. I like that.
Thank you, man.
You look like Bane.
I've had this for like a month.
If he shaved his head, he'd look like Bane in that jacket. What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
You ready for it?
Like it? Yeah.
Got a nice 1LE up there.
What?
Is that a 1LE? Yeah?
It might be.
It's got the wing.
It looks like it is. Man, I like the color.
Oh, dude, rapid blue. Same as the Caddy.
Too bad it's too quiet. Like,
I know it is.
It actually sounds
not
pretty
bad.
good.
It's not bad, yeah.
Is it? Does this have a catback?
No, stock. With headers, it's going to be
I
nasty.
forgot what these sound like. Stock.
It's not bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Big burble, too, for stock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you want me?
We were just talking about it.
Just park it right here for now.
Okay.
We'll,
In front of your
I don't care.
super cool Tesla.
Yeah, man.
I love Teslas. No, I don't, though. I hate them, but they're also fast, so I can't like talk that much crap. We'll park, and actually with this, we're doing something a little bizarre. We're taking the wheels off because I'm doing something with them, so we're gonna wait, take the wheels off, and then we'll head home. You guys gotta check out Andrew and the CSP channel. He's a funny guy. Andrew is he's a good guy and a funny guy. We're doing, I didn't tell him yet, but we're doing a fat cam.
It's this.
Fat cam.
It's called the CSP Big Boy Cam.
The big boy
like me,
cam.
a
That's
big
me,
boy.
big boy. Hey, winter's been rough, buddy. I'm over
It has
200 now.
Yeah,
I'm back to 205.
I was 206 this morning.
Okay,
I got you beat.
Dang it. I haven't had a cammed car in a long time.
Yeah.
Like, I'm ready for it. Which, by the way, quick plug, if you guys need any car parts, CompleteStreet.com.
Thank you. Well, yeah, that or CSP Racing.
Or
Either
CSP
one.
Racing, okay.
Yeah, I think it goes all to the same place.
Okay. I
think I have it
should get the
forwarded. I hope I
website
have it
right if I'm
forwarded.
going to plug it.
I better check that.
Okay, so it's CSPRacing.com.
CSPRacing.com.
All right, quick plug.
But
CSPRacing.com.
CompleteStreet.com.
Close enough. I got close.
I think I have CompleteStreet.com, CompleteStreet
He's got all the domains.
CSPRacing.com, Complete. There's some other stuff that's hidden that nobody knows about yet, but yeah.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Cool.
I just need the wheels then, whenever you
So let me
have
make
a
sure that
moment.
things are rocking.
Okay.
What color are you getting the wheels?
I can't say that yet. Unbox time.
Unbox time.
Now,
I'm just
I
throwing
saw.
my nice coat on the ground here.
That's your nice Bane jacket.
Yep.
Look at this here. Says right there, 717.
Yeah.
I like you got it labeled.
Yeah, I made sure that nobody took it.
Thank you, sir.
I almost did that.
That's what's nice about CSP. They got all the parts in stock.
Yeah, we tried.
All of this was in stock, actually. Which
It was.
is amazing.
Now it's not in stock.
No, I took it out of stock, but it was in stock. Okay.
Yeah, so we got a good business-to-business network going on.
Yes.
So, yeah, just in case you
I
guys-
text Andrew last minute, the
Yeah.
night before, and I'm like, hey, do you have all these parts? He says yes. I show up.
This Mustang's in the way. Here, let me put it like that.
Wow. There she is.
You want to hold that thing?
I do. Yeah, I like holding it for the
hold
thumbnail.
the-
I like holding the Maggie, my Maggie baby. I like holding it.
Okay.
The Magnuson 2650, guys.
You want it in the bag or you want
Best
it out
blower. Out of the bag, I feel like is better.
Okay, I'm gonna pause my video so you can keep on.
Well, I can have Ben hold both. Now, it's worth mentioning, these blowers are good for like all the way to 1200 wheel. What'd you say? I think 1200 wheel.
Yeah, these things are incredibly capable.
We're not going that far, but you can go all the way to 1200 with these if you want. And that's what's great about the Magnuson. It really is the ultimate LT4 upgrade. If you have an LT4 and you want more power, don't pulley down, don't like do anything. Just go with the Magnuson.
Yeah.
And then your options open up. The car's gonna run better. It's not gonna heat soak. It's the must have. You gotta do it.
We actually take off some Pro Chargers and stuff and put Magnusons on.
I myself don't love Pro Chargers. I like these better. Ready?
Okay, all you, bud.
Throw my back out. Can I
Yeah.
grab it by this here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's the short of the century.
What? Yeah, you drop it short of a century.
Shaft unboxing. Shaft
got-
unboxing.
Look
This
at my-
is Andrew's big boy shaft.
Yeah, it's blue. That's weird.
Fantastic. Well, it's
You're,
got
you're holding it too
protected.
tight if it's up.
It's got the protective cover on it. Yeah, this is awesome. Should I take it out or should I just leave it in? To keep it
I
safe?
would leave it in just
Leave it in,
because
okay.
that's going in the engine, so we want to prevent any debris going on.
Right. Well, see, guys, this is what makes
You
the
want to
shock
spit
job.
on it like Hawk 2 and
Spit, you, spit
you can get those shirts.
It's
It's
before
Street
you put
Speed.
it in the engine. You spit on it.
Well, so what I'm noticing here is you already have a rotofab.
Yeah.
This is the rotofab, a little gulp.
Little gulp.
They don't call it the little gulp. I do. Because
want
there's
the-
a big gulp.
I want the big
And
gulp.
the big gulp is a 5-inch intake that actually performs really well.
5 inches is huge too.
The big gulp will combine with the Nick Williams 103 throttle body. We have
Uh-huh.
the snout in stock. That would take us a little bit further than where
I'd
we're
like
aiming.
to get. I think 750 to 800 wheel would be sick.
So, okay, we'll give that a shot. We'll get a bigger snout, throttle body, and the big gulp.
I think that'll be good. Still not too much. Like it'll be drivable, but
Yeah,
a little
I mean,
more
it'll
fun.
be very
Intense.
drivable. It just, you will make a lot of power.
Yeah.
It will be,
I love how it's like, oh,
easy-
800 wheels. It's not gonna be that fast. It's gonna be fast.
It'll be easier to die.
Yeah. It'll be drastically easier to die in this car.
There are some cool things that you could do.
I like that.
To add more to your bill. There's a
To add more to my bill.
there's a thing.
I
called
thought this was all free.
There's something called Smooth Boost, which is pretty
Smooth boost.
cool. You can dial
Okay.
in your boost level
Oh.
with a knob, so you could have something like 500 horsepower to 800.
No, I don't want it. Give me the whole thing the whole time.
That's fine. Let's do it.
Yeah, whole thing the whole time. That's what I
Okay.
want.
Well, that's what we're gonna do.
Transforming this little baby ZL1 into a monster
Yep. It's gonna be awesome.
with the Andrew package.
Oh,
Close to the Andrew
It's getting
package.
really close to the Andrew package. You have to have an inner chiller to have the Andrew package.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is that what I have?
We're doing an interview.
Yeah, you've got the Andrew package.
God.
He's got the Andrew
Can you
package.
rename that thing?
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna take it off now.
Love that beat block.
Pull it out.
Andrew is showing us his new E-Ray, his new
Here's
EV
the
Corvette.
Trio 1. It still looks
yes,
Awesome.
looking good.
made.
Got the Maggie.
You'll probably tell this out before I actually release the video, but it made.
I'm uploading soon, so if you don't want people to
That's
know,
fine,
okay.
that's fine. It made 930 on
930 wheel?
E85
Okay.
with cats. This thing has
That's a
cats.
lot of power.
And it's a balance between pump gas and E85. So
Okay.
it's like you have to have enough room on pump gas to be able to run it and not melt the cats, and then find out where E85 goes, and it went to 930. Yeah, this has heads on it. This has port injection. This has a lot of stuff. It's got the DSX, everything. Atlas, that's freaking awesome. It's
Okay.
the be-all, end-all for
And this is an
port injection.
automatic or a manual?
This is an automatic.
Automatic, okay. Yeah, I figured for the manual, I'm thinking, keep it a
right.
little
We-
lower, more drivable.
I gotta get your car on the dyno.
Got to get a clutch too.
I gotta get your car on the dyno. I don't know if you can see it.
That's
in here, but
slick. Big old tire on there.
You got to get under there.
You got to get up. Well, the people can see it there. Yeah, you can see it, I think, a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, this thing makes. I think
Ooh.
we put 1100 down or so.
Wow. And then the C8 ZR1 on the dyno. Bobby's car, buddy of mine. Crazy guy, crazy car.
Yes. That one just got
And a good guy, too. Did it?
Yeah. This
Sweet.
thing's- It's gonna make some serious power.
Wow.
Yeah,
Andrew's
so I put all
brand
seasons
new,
on this so I could
25.
drive it in the snow, which is why it's
There you
dirty.
go. Wow, looking good. Brand new, 25, silver stripes, blue color. Is that Elkhart Lake?
This is Riptide.
Riptide blue,
Riptide
wow.
blue. Yeah, it's really nice.
And it's locked.
A little bit nicer than Elkhart Lake, in my opinion. I'll pull it out of the side.
Yeah, it looks a little lighter, which I like. And I did sell Andrew these wheels. Not quite.
You get rid of the horrible looking exhaust tips on it.
Yeah.
They're-
Oh, that's right. The E-Ray still does the side exit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not- that's
I
not
had
great.
The black exhaust up there somewhere, and I'm like, well, I can just change it out if I want, but then I didn't. So
You should just do the center conversion, center exit
They
conversion.
don't always sound right. They start sounding
Really?
rubbish because of how it's made.
I do like this car though. Good looking car. I sold him those wheels off the giveaway Z06. The ones I didn't like with the red stripe. Oh, look, it's on already. See? I don't like that. See, I don't like that.
So, I get you don't like the electric, but it's not an electric vehicle. It's a performance hybrid.
Uh-huh.
And the full tunability of the LT2 platform means you can make...
Did Andrew
the same
make you
power.
say this?
No!
Because you sound just like him.
it's like you can't do anything with the Z06s right now.
Yeah, which does suck.
So if you want to do any kind of performance stuff with the C8 platform, you either need a base car or you need an E-Ray.
It's cool. No, I love the E-Ray. I love your cars. I love the E-Ray. There it goes.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the hardtop convertible.
Yeah.
Like, especially with stripes. Because with that
does look cool.
My 21, I had without stripes, and it's like this big dead area of like nothingness there.
Right.
And the coupe has the hatch here, so it like breaks it up.
Yeah.
But you don't have that on a convertible.
I do like the stripes actually.
Yeah.
Which, two things. Normally, I hate convertibles and I hate stripes. I will say on this car, I think it works.
I love it because
Yeah.
you're in it then, and
You can pop the top. I know. With the giveaway car, I loved that.
Dude,
I thought it was super cool.
I got the clear.
Oh, you got the
cover.
clear cut. Now that's neat. You can actually see it.
Yeah,
Will that work on Z06 too? That cover?
it might. Yeah.
Okay. That's really cool.
I kind of expected to. I don't think they changed it so much.
I like that. Oh, red belts, white seat. That's a cool combo. I like your taste.
Thank you.
I'll give you that.
Yeah,
I like the
it was a
color
pleasant
combo.
Surprise, this,
I know.
slip. Like,
Some cool guy
it
sold you those.
I know.
Yeah,
Like,
sick.
It brought it all together.
Yeah, perfect.
I'm not
Whoever did that
normally-
for you is an amazing. He probably gave you a good deal too.
He
Great
did.
dude, I
He did.
think.
I thought they were curved up, but they weren't.
That red stripe with your color combo, the red looks really cool.
Yeah.
I like
Really
that a lot.
happy with it.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, but I need
All right, boys. Here she goes. In for the Andrew package. Let's go. This thing is going to be gnarly. Again, 750-ish wheel, maybe a little more. It's going to be awesome. Ready for another Andrew package.
Oh boy.
Love that.
Same color?
Same color, yeah. Well, once I find what I
Nice
like,
color.
stick to it. It's a great color. Yeah, I stick to it.
Harry, can you? Can we get this on the lift? We're gonna get
Okay.
the wheels off.
So thank you. Loading up the wheels.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're really happy to be working with you again. We love it.
I love it.
You know, you're
I
fun.
love seeing Andrew
Yeah.
coming up here.
I don't know why you're so fun.
We have a great time.
There's something wrong with you.
Well,
There's
yeah.
something wrong with me. Which
Yeah,
is why it works
exactly.
together. Yeah. So this is going to be a really, really excellent build. I'm
Really
going to go
fun.
away now. I'm going to go to the Super Bowl.
He is going to the Super Bowl.
So like, I'll see you later.
Okay.
When I get back, I'll tune it.
Cool.
So I'm hoping that it gets done before then.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.